Good morning, this is Yuki. It's a beautiful day and this is your daily MILLI number 10. If you don't know, MILLI is the #1 meme coin on the SEI network, and every day I'm giving you a roundup of everything that's happening in the MILLIverse. First, heading over to the official Twitter, we can see that the team has changed the pin post. You can now find all the information you need about MILLI as soon as you land on the Twitter. Another way to do your own research and do a deep dive into MILLI's numbers is to head over to the Seipex Finance website. I'll put a link in the description. There you'll be able to inspect any token launched on the SEI network, in our case, MILLI. Once the informations are loaded, you'll get a great insight on the token, from the market cap to the biggest holders to who's providing the most in the liquidity pool. And once you've decided if you really want to buy, there is also a direct link to go and buy yourself some MILLI token from Coinhall or Astroport. Heading over to CoinMarketCap to check on the global market, we can see that Bitcoin is stabilizing above 62k and that the market is digesting the pullback. And I hope we will see a nice bounce before entering the weekend. Now, if we look at what's happening specifically to MILLI, we can see that we're still in that same triangle with a very strong resistance at 0.000015, which has been our resistance since we passed it on March 10. So a very, very strong support here, heading towards the completion of the triangle. So here is my prediction for today. I can see a breakout to the upside from the triangle, and if we get a great announcement, in conjunction with better market condition, we could see a massive rally and break all-time high again within a week. Tell me what you think in the comments. I also have a poll running on Twitter asking my followers what they think the big news will be. I am personally leaning towards a stacking program, but it seems that the majority of voters think a centralization is going to be announced. So head over there and make sure you cast your vote. That's it for the video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Don't forget that nothing I say is financial advice, and enjoy your day. Ciao, ciao.